Kwa kanyo ni Hope Ligami, jawala ya kaunti ma Nairobi, obedo jaloch mokwongo e tugo mar Jiomoshe na Shabiki Jet X ka oyudo omenda maromo siling 250,000. Hope matugo kinde ka kinde e shabiki.com wacho ni osebedo ka oyudo loch maka kod kacha e tuke mopogore mag Shabiki ka ong'iyo mar jiwo ande kod omenda moseoloyo ndalogi duto. Tugo mar Jiomoshe na Shabiki Jet X nigi mich maloyo $2 million ka jatugo 10 bende yudo siling 50,000 odiochieng' ka odiochieng' ka juma tichiwo siling 250,000.
Pigiwa nikiwa home. That was a phone call from Shabiki. Ndio nikaambiwa I'm the winner for, that is the weekly challenge. So I'm the winner for the Jiomoshe na Jet X campaign. And I was really excited about that. I've been betting with Shabiki for quite some time because nilijua Shabiki kitambo, that is through a friend, and then sasa kanionyesha how they go about the betting and stuff, and so I've been doing that consecutively. Sometimes I've been participating in this to random challenges, promotions, campaigns. So actually this is not my first win. Nimekuwa nikiwin tuseme small prizes. So for this the 250,000 this time, I can say I was incredibly fortunate to win this huge amount. Jiomoshe na Jet X campaign niliona social media because I'm an ardent fan wa Shabiki, so I follow them closely on all their social media platforms. So that is where I got wind of the promotion and I hopped onto the challenge. Nilieka stake ya 50 bob. Na actually sikujua itakuwa na the highest multiplier, so I was lucky.